I'm super excited the night before my day off because I know that I have a whole day to pursue what I'm passionate about, which is doing pottery and taking the time to appreciate the small moments that we might see as obsolete, but that definitely are precious and they make me feel comfortable. I can wake up pretty early, around 8, and thinking that I'm going to enjoy those small moments is pushing me to think more about how I can deliver this cozy and heartwarming experience. I'm a bit ambiguous in a way that I cannot wake up super early like those 5 a.m. morning routine, but I do understand when people wake up really early as I realize that those early hours are really calm and quiet in the house and in the city. I live with my family, so it can be pretty noisy, but those early morning feel like I'm alone. And no, I'm not thinking about living alone because there's too much flex living with them. Anyways, it feels even more like slow living and it feels great. I just got my own handmade mug back home to try if it can handle the thermal shock, and it does, which is pretty cool. And it is really satisfying to enjoy morning coffee in my own made mug. I like to plan ahead of time what I want to achieve in the pottery studio, but most of the time it doesn't go as planned as I take too much time doing miscellaneous tasks. I like to dump all my thoughts on my Notion. You never know when a good idea might emerge from all this mess. I love being delusional because it keeps me motivated in a way, and who knows, maybe one day it might encounter reality. Hi, my name is Julie. I'm a part and potter based in Paris, and today is my day off, which means it's a studio day. I just went through what I've planned to do for the day, and I have a bunch on the list because I'm prepping a new collection, which means I have to make a lot of textiles, test vessels, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm pretty proud of what I've sketched on paper and how it is actually pictured in my mind, and hopefully it will turn out as good in real life. Anyways, first let's pack some stuff before heading to the studio. See you there! And also the camera. sharing this studio with another mature ceramicist, and it's not that I don't like him or anything, it's just more convenient when he's not here, because it feels more like my own creative space. I think that everyone should have their own space, creative or not, as a way to just be cut off from the world and be submerged in your own. It's a way to escape reality, but also create your own reality. I feel joy and excitement when I enter the studio, and I know that I'm going to do things that I truly enjoy, and no one can really interrupt this moment. Hi, I made it to the studio. I actually did the reclaim because it's been a good month since I didn't reclaim my clay, and it is moldy and it smells pretty bad. But it's good clay because moldy clay means more elasticity and less harder for me to wedge and also to throw. Paired some bowl of clay to make my vessel tests or my glaze testing. Now I need to prepare my throwing station, so let's do that. I'm a bit frustrated since I haven't thrown for a month, so I'm going to do more vessels next time, and now I'm going to make some ornaments. I have the idea to make a collection of tableware that brings up cozy and heartwarming feelings. I really like Japan, and so when I saw those little ginkgo leaves silicone molds, I instantly had the idea to use them as the main character for this project. Autumn is the time of the year that makes people feel the coziest and the warmest, so I think that creating this collection during this season is also appropriate. In anime, I've always seen the ginkgo leaf appear to bring more calmness in the scenery. It always gave me this light-hearted but warm feeling that we can refer as hokori in Japanese. As I said, I have a really clear idea of what I want to create, and the ginkgo leaf symbolism makes it the best fit for this purpose. I'll explain more about it in the future when I get the final product in my hands, but for now, everything's just thoughts on paper and my imagination that is just working non-stop. This takes me a long time to bring this vision into life, as it's the first real project that I'm putting so much thoughts and effort into, and hopefully I won't be the only one that will appreciate it. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!